Was opaque more?
I thought this was opaque.
Hey Siri, what does opaque mean?
Hi
Hello.
everyone, welcome back. It's Ali and Nesh.
I'm Ali.
And I'm Nesh.
This week it's our January favourites.
January?
And we're on time this time.
Yeah. And actually, you guys that really like them, so
Yeah, I enjoy watching favourites.
Yeah.
First one I'm going to start with is a new cleanser. This is an Elemis Superfood Seeker Calm Foaming Cleanser. When I first received this, I was like, oh, I don't know about foaming cleansers, because traditionally they're quite drying for our skin, and I probably always stepped away from them. This is not drying at all. I don't know, we haven't got any water up here, but it's a really rich.
Smells amazing.
Yeah, it instantly smells like it's really good. Can you feel
actually,
like
it's quite creamy?
Creamy, isn't it? And they're like really dense sort of bubbles. Yeah, it feels really good on your skin, and obviously then you would add water. It's almost like you could then shave with it.
It does. Got that sort of balmy texture, hasn't it?
So it's not like a traditional foam, and it's so
smells
lovely. Seeker is really good for sensitive skins, hydrating, comforting properties of Seeker. And it also has a vegan form of kefir in it. So it's got like probiotic kind of properties.
I'm really intrigued by this product.
Yeah, so a lot of this superfood range has got that. So yeah, very interesting. And
you've been enjoying using it?
I have. And can you see when that's almost sunk in?
It feels so nourishing.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like
drying,
a traditional
like
foam
say, with the foam. My hand actually feels really soft.
Yeah, I've put a load on my hand. It's kind of gone
try
into
some
your
of
bum.
that.
Yes, to take off all this makeup. So that's my first one that I'm loving.
What I've been loving this month is the roche-posay hand cream.
Products actually.
I don't have shares in them. I'm not on
no,
commission, but
sadly.
I just really get on so well with their products. This has got a really...
So this is a hand cream.
Hand cream. It's a real nice texture.
It's more it's more balmy kind of texture, isn't it?
It's a barrier repairing cream. So you can imagine, so it's quite a
let's have a little
thick consistency. I know you're meant to put it on the back of your hand, aren't you?
Yeah.
Say, but I've been suffering with such dry hands.
Yeah.
And I have to say, in the few weeks that after using it, I really noticed a big difference in my hands.
Your knuckles, nothing like that. It's nothing worse than when you've been outside, especially with you when you're sat round the rugby field or just
that cold wind
and chapped knuckles and
then every time
dry cuticles.
Yeah, well, that's actually what made me go and get it was that I was having my nails done, and the nail technician said that you've got really dry cuticles, and I was like, doesn't everyone have dry cuticles? And she went, no, yours are really dry.
You know.
But then using a really good barrier cream, I think, is key.
Yeah.
Because I have got some hand creams, but they're just not nourishing enough, and this one really is. So.
Yeah. You could always put an oil on first and then put that over the top.
Yeah.
So double up on moisture.
This is definitely my January favourite.
This is Ren Clean. Is it Clean?
Clean Primer.
Clean is the Perfect Canvas Clean Primer. So this is really hydrating. It's you can actually wear it on its own over the top of your moisturiser and SPF. So it's your last step before your makeup if you're going to.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like a hydrating primer. It kind of mattifies, smooths out. But lots of people actually like putting it on over the top.
That's over the top of makeup. Over makeup?
Not over their makeup.
That's what I started.
Over the top of their moisturiser to lock it in, and not necessarily having to do anything else. It's like it seals in what you've got on underneath. But I suppose you could do that.
Yeah, you could do. If halfway through the day.
Yeah, if you just wanted to revive it.
Yeah.
It's silicone free. It's got skin boosting extracts which help balance good bacteria, reducing breakouts and promoting a healthy microbiome. See, it's kind of like a trend towards things treating the,
going deeper.
Yeah, and feeding the good bacteria in the skin.
That makes sense.
Yeah,
and I love this glass bottle as well.
Yes, they've changed if you might recognise the name of it, but it used to be in a white opaque bottle. They changed. I went to a talk with Ren, and they changed their packaging for this one because the recycling machines in recycle plants weren't registering that it could be recycled because it was in a opaque bottle.
That's really good.
So even though it was
really
glass,
conscious, and I like the
we love Ren, don't we?
Yeah,
yes.
I'm a big fan of Ren here.
Yeah. So thank you very much.
My second favourite for January is a new perfume that I got
Let me have a little
Christmas. It is from Hermes. Where do you want it on your?
Oh, actually, I might. Do you want me to actually? Okay,
Did you want to spray it?
Of course.
I thought that's what you meant.
I was just going to smell the bottle, but I'll go for a.
Oh no, you got to smell it on.
Oh, so it's good. I can smell it already.
The
oh my
Un
God.
Jardin sur la.
Great pronunciation, Nesh.
I can't say it. I had the other two.
You did.
Perfumes from here, from Hermes. They're a bit more.
Un Jardin sur la. I still can't. I know.
Anyway,
it smells really.
It's got quite not a masculine smell. Would you say like a cologne-y type? Do you know what I mean? More rather than
heady.
It's not soft and floral-y and fresh. It's
which I don't like. That's the kind of perfume I
really like.
It's an intense perfume that I.
It's more as a dense
flavour.
Fragrant.
It's like a grown-up perfume.
Yeah,
do you know what I mean?
It was a Christmas gift, so I think actually when you're buying people perfumes as a gift, it's quite risky, but
yeah, that's a nice
that was
one.
a good one.
Yeah.
And I think all of their perfumes from this range, Hermes, are just really spot on. And actually, I've spoken about them in our perfume episode.
Yeah, we'll link that in.
So we'll link that
on YouTube
for that. This is definitely
that's
loving
lovely.
it. I'm just putting it on every day.
Yeah,
so
I'm going to be driving home and I'm going to be getting them after that.
Yeah.
That is lovely. Next, I'm going to move on to hair. This is dry shampoo. I don't know. Do you use dry shampoo?
Well, I used to when I was straightening my hair, but not since I've been wearing it.
I've got a bit of a love-hate thing with dry shampoo because I've got blonde hair. Often it can just look too yellowy or white, or I just don't really like them. I'd rather just wash my hair.
Yeah.
But get that. This one is good. This is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I mean, I have washed my hair, but it doesn't, when you've got it in, you don't get that whole white residue.
Yeah. I used to love wearing dry shampoo when I was wearing my hair straight, because it'd get quite greasy at the roots. But I didn't want to wash it already.
Yeah. Then mine is often just there where mine would. But I find that this one doesn't give me that whole white residue here, or
that's good for brunettes as well as blondes. So
yeah, it's good for everybody. Perfect hair day, and I quite like this little.
It's a small bottle, so you can carry it in your handbag.
Yeah, because it's not. I don't use it all the time. It's just like, oh, I don't want to wash today.
Yeah.
So
it's good for a bit of volume as well.
Yeah, a bit of texture. If you think, oh gosh, your hair's gone a bit flat. Yeah, zhuzh that in. They say spray it in and then almost sort of massage it in.
So you've got that sort of bit, like that,
and it absorbs the oils. Oh, so there we go.
Lovely.
That's my three.
Your three. So my final one is a bag. It's actually a rucksack. I have been wanting to get a rucksack for ages, and I just didn't want to spend loads of money.
Do you have one?
I have got some, but they're actually breaking. Their straps are breaking off, and the ones that I've got are just, you just unzip it and it's a big pocket. Yeah. I just wanted some with sections. Yeah. And obviously I've always got a water bottle, so these have got pockets on either side. What I love about it, it's got this handle, so you can sort of carry it like a normal bag.
It doesn't look like you're carrying your rucksack.
And obviously you've got the sort of 2 zips at the front there for whatever.
And this was from Deichmann, which we're both big fans of, aren't we?
It was $17.99. Yeah. I literally was walking past the shop the other day and went, at the beginning of the month, and saw it in the window. I went, where is it? And it opens up like that, so it's got metal.
It's kind of like doctor's bag.
Yes. So it opens up deep.
Yeah, deep like that.
So you've got another internal
Mary
zip
Poppins
pocket. And then
dive in.
It totally is that.
Bring out.
And then it's got like another pocket there for your phones or whatever.
Like this, yeah.
So to save your back,
It doesn't
you know,
flop all over when you're trying to get it out. It's
good for travelling with,
Yeah.
but like I, going to work with
work
my
bag,
makeup,
yeah.
and then I went onto the gym after.
You could even
I
fit
had-
everything in there.
I literally had everything in it, everything.
Yeah.
So
and the
good.
straps are padded.
They're padded. So I love this khaki leopard print. I love leopard
And
print
it's
and khaki
faux
tone.
suede.
It's faux
It's got a nice
suede.
texture to it.
It's got that sort of good material at the bottom.
So it doesn't matter if you forget.
Yeah,
Yeah.
£17.99.
Very
That
nice.
is
It looks a
definitely
lot
my.
more than that.
It does. So that's my 3 January favourites.
Yeah.
Thanks for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed that. Everything that's going to be linked below.
Yeah, we'll link everything below.
Or
Above, wherever you're watching it.
Don't forget to subscribe
Please.
and thumbs up, likes,
And share.
and share. We will see you next week.
Thanks,
Bye.
bye-bye.